Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15's fq4014ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if you've noticed that the screen on your HP15's fq4014ns stays black when you turn it on, this can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty display or a loose connection within the device. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications and potentially more costly repairs. To ensure you're well prepared for the repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement screen specifically for the HP15's fq4014ns. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully flip the laptop over and remove the screws located at the base. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as they will be needed later. Using the plastic spudger, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the panel is removed, you will see the screen connector. This is the component that often fails. To locate it, follow the cable from the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of the connector. At this point, you will need to remove the screws securing the screen itself. Note that these screws can sometimes be quite tight, so apply steady pressure as you remove them. With the screws removed, gently lift the screen away from the laptop, being cautious of any remaining cables. If you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and align it with the mounting brackets. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Once the screen is firmly attached, reconnect the cable to the motherboard. Ensure it fits snugly to avoid any further issues. Now, before closing up the laptop, it's a good idea to test the screen. Power on the device and check if the display functions properly. If everything looks good, proceed to replace the back panel, snapping it into place and securing it with the screws. To prevent this issue from arising again, ensure that your laptop is handled with care and avoid placing heavy objects on it. Keeping your device clean from dust can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.